Yes, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How you all doing? You're welcome to our training program by LawyerTAJ, here where we show you opportunities of how to trade in the crypto market using what we have. This training is done in conjunction with Professor John Essy of Kenya. But unfortunately, today, less than 15 minutes ago, he just called and said he won't be able to make it because of the fact that they have internet outage there in his area in Kenya. And so I didn't just want to, you know, break the news and then postpone it because there's still a lot to learn. And I believe that we have the capacity to let everyone get educated with everything that we have and learn how to trade seamlessly in order to avoid floating losses. So we're going to be doing this a little different from what we've done before. Who's this EJ Smart? Please. We're going to be doing something different from what we've done before. It's going to be an open class where we're going to be using the chat box because it's an A and B situation, yes or no situation. So everyone has to be actively involved for us to make progress today. And I'll show you this training is just going to be for 45 minutes, tops an hour, and I'm sure we would learn a lot from it. So if you want us to proceed at this moment, just type the alphabet A, or if you want us to wait 1 more minute for people to come on the call, because I see that people are still coming on the call, just give me the alphabet B. If you want us to get started immediately, I need an A. If you want us to wait a bit. Awesome. So I see the A's are so much. Right. So I'm going to log in now with my other device so that we can start what we have for today. Yes, I'm sure a lot of people have been learning resistance and support. I'm sure a lot of people have been learning resistance and support. And even me too, I've taken the time to learn too, because no man
Because
is
no
an
man,
island. No man
no
is an
man is an
island,
island,
so
So
it's important that we learn every day. Because being a master in trading takes you time, and that time you have to put in the work in order to get it done. Okay, so yeah, so I want to share my screen. Let us go on to what we have. First of all, this is going to be like a test. The first test is going to be on crypto terminologies and analysis, which I'm sure a lot of people are conversant with. So this is just like a brainer for us to just get our mindset with what we want to do today. So as you can see, this is my app where I learn. I've done 100% of the test result, but I want us to run through it again with us on the line. And there's always going to be three objects. So if there's a question, there's going to be three alternatives. We're going to name it A, B, and C. The first one is A, the second one will be B, and the third one will be C. So if you can see my screen once again, just type me the letter 1. If you can see my screen, just type the letter 1. I'm using my phone right now so that we can acquaint ourselves with just terminologies that are going to help us with trading and stuff. Nice. Okay, so I can see everyone seeing my screen. So the first question, which I want everyone to attempt on here because we're learning, what is cryptocurrency? A is a type of stock. B is a hybrid of physical and digital currency. And C is digital currency. Co-host, please help me add the people as they come on the call because I wouldn't have time to do that. Yes, I'm impressed. Oh my God. Very intelligent people in the house today. Everybody's getting it right. Yes, the answer is C. So I'm going to pick C. And you see, it's correct. Nice. So we're going to the second question. What is a potential future use case for cryptocurrency? A, as a replacement for traditional banking system. 2, as a tool for political campaigning. Okay, that's B. C, as a form of entertainment for online gamers. D, as a means of controlling personal data online. So let's see. Oh God, see intelligent people. So nobody's going to be Carol Steph. That's wrong. It's not D. The potential future use case for cryptocurrency is not as a means of controlling personal data online, because that can never be the case. Is as a replacement for traditional banking system. I'm going to pick that answer, and you see it's correct. When I clap on myself on a notebook. So what does DAO stand for in the context of cryptocurrency governance models? DAO. Number A, distributed autonomous organization. B, decentralized autonomous organization. C, digital automated organization. Let's see. Alyssa Bright says B. Brenda says B. Modukbe says B. Yeah. We are the people when the smart since Slim Slick, you are wrong. It's not C. Yes, the answer is B. DAO stands for decentralized autonomous organization. So I'm going to click the B now as the answer. So I'm going to see if we're correct. Yeah, we're correct. That's good. So the next question, what is a stop loss order? A, an order that automatically opens the trade when it reaches a certain price level. B, an order that automatically closes a trade when it reaches a certain price level. C, an order that allows you to participate to buy a cryptocurrency at a specific price. And D, an order that allows you to sell a cryptocurrency at a specific price. So what's the answer? Yes, I can see B, Adiola Pampa, B, Sheye, BC, Madam BC, Ije Smart. Ije Smart, take Jumawoto. Don't come and be worrying me on my inbox. You hear me? Modukbe says B, Juliet B, Brenda Mohammed, Asukwe, you're wrong. It's not D. So see the word, like we're always taught when we're small. Stop loss order. You go take them one by one. Stop loss order. So in case I want loss, make it be stop for the order. So it's an order that automatically closes a trade when it reaches a certain price level. That's the answer. Correct. So the answer B is correct. So what is the main advantage of using a limit order in cryptocurrency trading? A, it allows the trader to set a maximum price for buying or selling. B, it allows the trader to profit from a price increase. C, it avoids the risk of slippage. D, it guarantees a quick execution of the trade. So let me see the answers here. Mudukbe says A, Lumide says A, BC Awoni says A, J says C, the main advantage of using a limit order. So you're saying C or A? Is that your final answer? This one, we have different people with different answer. So just take it simple. What is the advantage of using a limit order? What is a limit order? A limit order is different from a market order. Market order is entering into the market at the market price. Limit order, you are saying at a certain price, let me be able to come in. So the objectives we have here are: one, it allows the trader to set a maximum price for buying or selling. B, it allows the trader to profit from a price increase. C, it avoids the risk of slippage. And D, it guarantees a quick execution of the trade. So let me choose. Let me choose the A first. Let's see if it's correct. It's wrong. A is not correct. We're going to go back to that. Yeah. So please note that A is not correct there. What is a blockchain? A digital currency exchange. B, a decentralized distributed ledger. C, a type of encryption method. D, a type of computer virus. So what is a blockchain? I'm waiting for five answers. Yes, Omolanke says B. Lisa Bright, Lovett Paul says B. Awesome. So I'm gonna choose B. It's a decentralized distributed ledger. So what is the main difference between margin trading and regular trading? Margin trading allows you to borrow funds from the exchange. There's no difference between the two types of trading. Regular trading allows you to borrow funds from the exchange. So what's the answer to this? What is the main difference between margin trading and regular trading? Brenda says C. Omolanke says A. Zua says A. Lover Paul says A. One more. Naki says A. So I'm going to go with A. Correct. Number 8, which of the following emotions should you avoid while crypto trading? 1, fear of missing out. Fear of missing out is called FOMO, F-O-M-O. B says all answers are correct. C says greed. D says fear. So what's the answer? It's clear, right? B, all answers are correct. And then, what is a potential future challenge facing the adoption of cryptocurrency? A, decreased focus on security and privacy measures. B, excessive regulation by governments. C, lack of user education and understanding. And D, over-reliance on centralized exchanges. So what are your answers here? BC says C. Mobolanke says B. Brenda says B. Well, for me, the answer is C, lack of user education and understanding. That's a potential future challenge because a lot of people in the world still do not know what cryptocurrency is, talking of owning it or using it or holding it. See, it's correct. So number 10, what is a trading fee in cryptocurrency trading? A, the amount of money you can earn from trading. B, the commission you pay to your broker. C, the amount of cryptocurrency you can trade. D, the cost of buying and selling cryptocurrencies. What's the answer? J, you say B. Modukbe says D. Flory says B. Lisa Brad says B. Why you all saying B though? We don't have a broker in cryptocurrency trading. It will defeat the purpose. Remember that cryptocurrency is from point A to point B without a third party. A broker is a third party. So if you take that into consideration, you know, when you're saying trading fee in cryptocurrency trading, it's the cost of buying and selling cryptocurrencies. The answer is D. Correct. So our test results, we got 90% correct. So do you guys want us to go back to that one to get the answer correct, or do we move on? If you want us to go back to get the right answer, just type the letter 1. If you want us to move on, just type the letter 2. 1 or 2, 1 or 2. Okay, 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 okay. So I guess the one have it. We just need to go back. We've answered this question before. So, digital currency, yeah. Future case for cryptocurrency, placement of trading bank, decentralized autonomous organization, stop loss order. I think this is it. No, it's not. Another that market opens. No, no. What do you mean advantage of using the limit? Yeah, this is the question. What is the main advantage of using a limit order in cryptocurrency trading? That allows the trader to profit from a price increase. Let's look at it now. Somebody can Google it so we can get the right answer so we can move on. J, you're saying C. Why are you saying C? It avoids the risk of slippage. What is slippage? J. Mr. J, what is slippage? Why are you saying slippage? Somebody else tell us. It guarantees a quick execution of the trade. Limit order. It allows you to set a maximum price for buying and selling. The risk of slippage, I guess. Okay, risk of, okay. What is the difference between margin trading and regular margin trading? Allows you to borrow funds from the exchange. Things are correct. Yeah, so I think it's the slippage one, eh? But let's just run it again the last time. Digital currency, trading bank system. I'm sure we all have understood this. It's a nice stop loss order. Not allow you to. Okay, to avoid the risk of slippage. Yeah, you were correct, Jay. Congratulations, Jay. You're smart. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Right, so we're done with this class now. There's something that I'm sure all of you would like. It's a test, but this test is straight to the point. Now, I'm not going to say start teaching you candlestick patterns or hammer or doji stick or this or that or morning star or this or that. Let us do it practically. Here's the key to knowing what trade you take or when to take a trade. Always look at the last three candles. Always look at the last three candles. I'm sure what you see in those last three candles, I think it's morning star or I mean an evening star or something they call it. But now I want you guys to tell me what I'm going to press. When they say down, it means that we're saying that more red candles will be formed, means that the price action is going to go down. When they say up, it means that the value is going to go up. So what is the answer? Looking at the graph you're seeing on your screen right now, what do you think will be the next thing? Bro, Zua, it's either up or down. I'm going to take the first 5 people. You say down, right? I'm going to click down. Yes, you see, it's showing you that the value went down. So if you pick down, you're correct. So you can see that without an indicator, looking at candlesticks formation, it could help you know where the price value is going to. And when you know where the price value is going to, what happens? You know when to place your trade. If it's going to go up or down. So I'm going to choose next pattern now. All right, so this is the next pattern here. Which way is the graph going? That's the question now. Okay, I see a lot of people are saying up, up, up. Can you give me a reason why you think it's going up? Just any reason why it's going up. Why did you choose up? Because your money is at stake now. Either you make money or prude iPhone. There's nothing like neither up or down. The graph is definitely going somewhere. So if you say up, why are you saying up? Can you just put a reason there why you're saying it's up? And if you're saying down, why are you saying it's down though? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah now, oh yeah now. Why are you saying down, Jay? Why are you saying up, Lisa? Why are you saying up, Grace Gold? Asukwe, why you say up? Egbas 001, why you say up? Give me a reason. Give me a reason. Bullish candle, because the green candle is from, yeah, bullish candle up, yeah. There's a small green, then a big green, yeah. Strong bullish candle, yeah. Starts with small candle, then bigger one is up. Up green candle, second formation green. The green candle is forming because the candle, you always, you asked us to always check the last three, yeah. Oh, yes, okay. They are valid reasons. So let's see if it's correct. Yes, indeed. It actually went up. Congratulations. 2 of your trades have closed in profits. 2 of your trades have closed in profits. Um, Please give me a second. I have somebody coming to check me out that I'm supposed to teach. Give me a second. I'll get back to you guys. So if you enjoy what we're doing, if you think this is nice, just give me the alphabet A. But if you think we should go to something else, just give me the letter B. If you're enjoying it, because if I were you, for every screen that is showing, you can take a screenshot. It helps you quite go back after the class to see how it's going, and then will give you a better way to take a decision. Always know that before you take a decision, ask yourself the question, what it entails. Is that a pattern, that a bullish or reversal pattern that you're seeing there? That way you begin to learn much more. So I took up the challenge when I saw Prof putting up a lot of posts on the stuff, and I said, okay, that's cool. I'm going to learn it myself too. And since using this app, I won't tell you the name of the app, or should I tell you guys the name of the app? Okay, I'm going to tell you the name of the app at the end of the call. We just have 10 more minutes because I have to go somewhere. I just didn't want us to come here and feel disappointed afterwards that Prof is not around. And that's why we're doing this. I'm going to share the name of the app at the end of the class so that you all can learn and do more. As I speak to you, a lot of members in my team are actually doing a lot more better just using this system to trade. Right, so I'm going to share my screen once again and go back to what we were doing. So we got 10 minutes more, right? So let's look at which way this graph is going. Which way is the graph going? Look at the last three candles. I think that's, is it an evening star or is it a morning star? I the mistake of this star matter, but remember the key is knowing the formation of the last three candles. And of course, that is an evening star, Jay. Thank you very much. Yes, it's gonna go down, right? Why is it gonna go down? Give me one reason why it's gonna go down. We got 10 minutes more. I want to finish in record time. So why is it going down? Flourish, you say because it's red candle. The last two candles red candle. Yes, Brenda, because the evening star shows a strong bearish reversal. So I'm gonna hit down, right? Down. And you see, of course, of course, it went down. Next pattern. So let's see the next pattern they're gonna give us. So that's the next pattern now. Grace Gold, you say because it is seen on an uptrend too. Ah, well, I don't know about that. Evening star shows a bearish sign. So where is this one gonna go now and why? Don't just say up, just put up and tell me why. Straight up. Brenda says three soldiers. Very correct. Three soldiers. It's up. I'm gonna click on up now. You see, one thing about this simulator, it never ends though. It never ends. So when I show you this app, I'm not sure there are many things you need to do anymore. You're gonna know what you need to do. Right, so which way is the graph going now? You can see the last three candles. It goes without saying, right? Is it three white soldiers or three dark soldiers or three red soldiers? And what is it? What does it imply? Down. Modugbe say down. Modugbe, why is he down now? Why exactly is he down? Queen Ayomide, why down? Jay, why is he down? Why is he down? So I hope we all understand that understanding candlesticks is basically not looking at the entire candle, but the last three or four candles. That way it helps you. Three black soldiers. Looks like a reversal, yeah. So what is it? Is it going up or down? So I'm going to choose down. Oh, yes, it went down. Yes, it went down. Next pattern. I see we all are quite very, very educated about the candlestick. Please keep it up. Please keep it up. So which way is the graph going now? Look at the last three candles. This looks a little tricky. Let's see if people can pick it up. Jay, why you say down? Jay, why you say down? Modukbe, why you say down? Jay, you says bearish engulfing. Another English. Bearish engulfing. Okay. Shaye FX Lord say down. Asukwe, you say up. So I think the downs have it. Let me click on the down. Let me click the down. If it's correct or not, we're gonna know. Yes, down is correct. So that was a bearish engulfing after all. Next pattern. So what we're gonna get on this one? Which way is the graph going? And why? Jay, why is it going down? We go 5 minutes more to the end of this class. 3 dark soldiers. Yes, 3 red soldiers, I call them. Down. Okay. I'm going to hit on the down. Yes, it really did go down. No, no, no. Next pattern. Next pattern, where is it going to and why? Up, oh, Shaye say up, oh, why? Why? The 3 white soldiers. Okay. Yes, it did go up. Congratulations, Shaye. Next pattern. Yeah, so tell me, where's this going to? Remember that last candlestick you're seeing there? What's it called again? Remember what it represents. Remember that it represents, it may represent a reversal. It may, but remember the last 2 candles before it. So Jay, you're saying up, because it's a hammer. But it's been going up since, so remember, the red hammer signifies a reversal. Love it, that sounds true. So do you think I should choose down or up? Love it, what do I choose? Let me follow Lovet's mouth. Lovet, what's it gonna be? Lovet say down, so I'm gonna choose down. And yes, indeed, it actually went down. Next pattern. You can see the 3 last candles. I'm sure we've done this before. I guess. Right, let's look at this one now. We got 2 minutes more. So I think, Prof, we're gonna try to fix this meeting again. Today's Friday already. It's gonna be next week, Monday, hopefully, because we have our prospect class on Sunday. So tomorrow's gonna be, I'm very busy tomorrow. If not, we'll continue with another candlestick patterns. Easy to follow. So next pattern, sorry about that. Next pattern, you can see it. What is this last 3 candles called and what does it portend? Let's see the answer. Should I choose up or down? Are we going up or down? Jay says that's an evening star. And what does it portend? Jay, I'm following you. Tell me down. Jay says down. So I'm going to use down. Jay, you are good. You don't, in fact, now you need to teach us right now. You are good. You are good. You are good. You are good. A lot of people are picking up. I like that. That means a lot of people have gone to do their homework. I love it. So what's this one? Just tell me up or down. So you understand something that most times there's a repetition on everything. So if you quite understand the standard of how this thing works, it's easy for you to pick up where you are gonna go with it. So we have, wow, 93 people in the house. Okay, so unfortunately, I'm on vacation, but I didn't want to fail anybody here about the meeting, even though it was impromptu for Prof to get to me. So basically, I'm going to share the name of the app on here now. Please explain morning and evening. Well, Ibok, if you ask me that one, so me, I'm not even sabi to explain that one, but I only know, see, I know it. Yeah. So the name of the app, ladies and gentlemen, is this. I got it on the Android. Okay, oh, that's the name of the app. I trust you are gonna get it so that by Monday when we come on, we're gonna juggle our brains on some of this again before Prof takes it up. I'm sure we're gonna be looking at candlestick patterns, channel, trend lines, and what have you. So from me, LawyerTAJ, all the way from Accra, Ghana, I want to thank you all for coming on this call. God bless you all. And as we normally do before we end the call, please feel free to unmute yourself and say your goodbyes and God bless you. See you guys on Sunday and make sure you
Thank you,
invite as much as
Lord.
you want.
Good night. God bless you, everybody.
Good night, everyone. Thank you so much, Lawyer Taj. Thank you.
Thank you, Asukwe. Michael Olele. Yeah, Grace Divine, thank you. God bless you. So I'm going to enjoy myself in the city of Accra now. God bless you. Loyalty.